Hi everyone, today's video you're gonna make chicken, roast chicken and the spinach. So I already have here my chicken, so I already clean, you know. Some people say they don't need to wash chicken, but I like to wash my chicken before make it. So to make the sauce I'm gonna use it. I have here spring onion. I'm gonna put it all inside of this little jar because I like to blend everything. Onion, I have a garlic, I love parsley, so I like to have coriander as well, fresh coriander, but I don't have today, so I'm gonna just make it with parsley. So here we have all bay leaves. Don't know how to say it very well. I have here is I buy frozen garlic, fresh garlic, and the fresh sorry, ginger. I like to buy frozen one. They come here like a cube, you know, put it as well inside. I have here black pepper, paprika, and the cumin seeds as well. If you live in England, you're gonna find like in a powder or in a seeds as well. All here I'm gonna add as well. And last thing, I'm gonna add lemon juice. I'm using here half, about 1.5 lemon. I just put in my plate after. Now I'm gonna add all here. If you don't like to touch chicken, you can use gloves. I don't mind. I always wash my hand very well after, so I don't mind, to be honest. So I transfer all here. I like to open chink my chicken like this. I think it just make the sauce go inside of the chicken as well, make it very delicious and not too dry, you know, because sometimes, you know, chicken breast can be very dry as well. As my daughter is here, she's singing now. When I have time, I used to leave this for about 2 hours, or even make this for day before night and leave in the fridge. But today I'm gonna just put straight away in the oven to make it dinner quick, you know. So I'm gonna put it in the oven, and then we're gonna start making spinach. Okay, now we're gonna start making spinach. My pan is already a little bit warm. I'm gonna add it olive oil. If you want to make it with the oil, you can as well, you can do as well. So I'm gonna add onion, very short, small onion, you know. I'm gonna just fry for 1 minute, you know. I have here again a cube of a fresh ginger and garlic. Just give it a fry.
Mommy.
Yes, Mania.
Go.
Okay.
Mommy.
Nice.
Go.
Now tomatoes. I have here 1 tin of chopped tomato. This spinach is very easy to make, and is the way you can give your kids some veg, you know. Now I'm gonna leave this for cook for about 10 minutes and to get to dry, you know, before we add our spinach. But before that, I'm gonna add salt. Again, if you want to put just a cube of beef or of chicken, you can do. I'm not doing because I don't think I need to add a cube of chicken. For me, just like that, be very delicious. So it's up to you, you know, if you want to add a cube of chicken or beef. So we're gonna cook this for 10 minutes. Okay, that's how I want it to, this sauce to become dry, you know. And here I have the spinach. I'm using frozen baby spinach, you know. I just defrost and let it to get dry, as you can see. We're gonna add now all here. I'm using only a bag of frozen baby spinach. I'm gonna add all here. Now we leave it here for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just now we're using between 5 to 10 minutes. Now the chicken is heavy, as you can see. It's very toasted, you know, and the brown, and the spinach as well. So I'm just gonna cut some here to show you how it's inside. See, as you can see, it's not looking like very dry, you know. I didn't put any oil or olive oil in this chicken, but still very tender. You can have this food with the rice, just white rice, or fried potatoes, you know, boiled potatoes. I'll just bring you more close, you know, so you can see properly. So it's how a chicken look like, you know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe my channel. Thanks so much and bye.